Today I'll be unboxing the Disney Pumpkin Pals Mystery Pins. These were released in August of 2025 and they are available in the parks for $22.99 per box, and there are 2 pins in each box. These are a limited release, so these will only be around for the Halloween season or until they sell out. It's possible they're already all sold out in the parks, I'm not sure. This is an 8-pin collection, and the pin designs feature a Disney character popping out of a jack-o'-lantern. So the pin designs that we can get are Percy, Stitch, Pascal, Meeko, Yzma, Piglet, Figaro, and Lucky. So let's open these up and see what we get. So I have 7 boxes here to open up, which is 14 pins total. I would like to complete this whole collection, especially since it's a limited release. But if I can't complete the collection, the ones I want the most here are Pascal, Yzma, and Figaro. So hoping to get those. I did get 5 of these boxes from Disneyland and 2 of them from the Disney store. So let's get into it. This one here is from the Disney store, and you can tell because there's no price on the back. And when you go to the parks, they put a price tag over this barcode here. So I already cut the tape. These ones look interesting. It's like they're taped up on 3 parts up here and then they're glued together. So it's a bit more challenging to get them open unless we just want to rip them open. Let's see. He was stuck in there. All right. Let's start with this one here. And the first pin is, it is Pascal. All right, hey, we're starting off with one I wanted. So I believe all of the jack-o'-lanterns are the same, and then we just have the character that's different. So we have Pascal, who is green, popping out of the pumpkin. And it'd be cool if he was orange. Maybe they'd have like a variant where he's orange and matches the pumpkin. They don't have that, but it'd be cool if they threw in some special pins. Right, this one, looking at the back, kind of looks like raccoon ears, so I'm gonna guess Meeko. Let's see, it is, it's Meeko. So we have Meeko popping out of the jack-o'-lantern, and he's got his hand on the top of the pumpkin. Very nice. These are pretty cool. I like them. All right, so that was box 1. Let's get to box 2 here. This one is also from the Disney store. So let's see what we get. And I can tell from the back that this one is different. It looks like there's a horn sticking up, but you'd almost guess Figment, but I don't think Figment's in this collection. And it is Lucky. I thought it was a horn, but it's one of his ears. So Lucky got the red collar popping out of the pumpkin. I love how they all have the top part of the pumpkin somewhere on their head. It's pretty cool. All right, and our 4th pin also looks different from the back. This one is Percy. So we have Percy with the blue collar, and he always looks kind of annoyed or upset or something. All right, well, out of 2 boxes, I already got 4, so I'm already halfway there. So now let's move on to the 5 boxes I got from Disneyland, and I had Connie at Enchanted Pins and More pick these up for me. So let's see what we can do here. All right, 4 to go. Can we find them? We have 10 tries. 10 tries for 4 pins. I think that's good, right? We'll see. All right, looking at the back, this looks like it might be different. And it is. We have Yzma. All right, this is the other one I wanted. So we have Yzma as the little cat, and she's holding the a potion bottle there. Nice. She always looks evil. Very cool. So we have 5 of the 8, and this one, I think this one's also different. Hey, look at that. And it's Piglet. Nice. Yeah, I thought I saw something poking off the top, and it was Piglet's ear. And then the other ear is underneath the top of the pumpkin. That one's cool too. All right, so we have 6 out of the 8. 4 boxes to go. Hey, let's complete this thing. Because that way, you don't have to go hunting around for limited release pens. All right, and this one, looking at the back, looks kind of familiar. This might be our first duplicate, and it is. It is another Percy, which out of all of these pen designs, that's the one that I really could pass on. I mean, I want to complete the collection, but my least favorite in this entire collection is Percy. And this one also looks familiar from the back, and it's another Yzma. So if you're gonna have a double, Yzma's a good double to have. All right. Get so close to completing the collection, and then the boxes just slowly dwindle down. All right, let's see what we get here. This one, I don't know. This might be new. It is not. It is another Pascal. Another Pascal, green Pascal. Let's see what we get here. Could be Meeko. It is Meeko. So that was a duplicate box. So we did get Pascal and Meeko. And we have 2 boxes left. So all of a sudden that 6 out of the 8 with only 2 more to go felt pretty good there for a while. Now it's not feeling so great. All right, 4 tries to get 2. And of course, I at least want to get one of them. So I only have to search for 1 and not 2 pens. And this one looks different. I don't think I've seen the back of this one. And this one is Figaro. Nice. All right, so that's the other one I wanted, right? Pascal, Yzma, and Figaro. So we have Figaro, who's popping out of the jack-o'-lantern and always looks super happy. All right, so now we are down to missing 1. What are we missing? Stitch. We're missing Stitch. All right, got to get a Stitch here. Well, I see the ears, and it's Stitch. All right. Hey, we completed a collection. All right, so we have Stitch, and he's popping out of the pumpkin, kind of waving hi there. And now, I mean, this has never happened. Well, it's happened one time, but it's never happened with an extra box. So do I open this box, or do I save it for Instagram? I can do a quick unboxing on Instagram. I don't know. I feel like I already showed you the box, so I feel like I kind of have to open it for you. If I wanted to save it for Instagram, I should have kept it off camera. So we'll open it up. We'll see what we get. All right. So the last box here, we don't need any of them. And we have another Meeko. So is this going to be another Pascal? We're going to end with a duplicate box, and it is Lucky. So it wasn't a duplicate box. So we got another Lucky. So we're on our way to complete another set there, but hey, I got all 8. Yes. So I'm done with this collection. I don't have to go around and search for one missing limited release pen. So that is awesome. I love it. Those were the Disney Pumpkin Pals mystery pens. Let me know down in the comments which one was your favorite out of this collection. After getting a close-up look, my favorite here is Figaro. I just think that one is so cute. He's just jumping out of that pumpkin all happy. And then that one's followed closely by the other cat, which is Yzma. She is also very happy there, but she's kind of a crazy happy. So those are my 2 favorites out of this collection. And I completed the collection, so you can't do any better than that. So that feels awesome. So I don't have to go and look around for a couple of pins that I might be missing. And after looking at the pattern that I unboxed them in, I didn't even need the 2 boxes from the Disney store. So if I just opened the 5 boxes I got from Connie at Disneyland, I would have still completed this collection. So that's awesome. And one thing I wanted to point out that I did change up the background just a little bit. I don't have a lot of Halloween stuff, but I did put Jack Skellington back here instead of Mickey. And then I have a pumpkin irresistible down here. If you don't know what irresistibles are, I have a video that shows like 7 of them, I think, so you should check that out. And then I built a Halloween pin board back here using my Halloween pins from 2023 and 2024. So I got a little bit of Halloween stuff there that's going to be with me for the next few videos here. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you in my next video.